Do 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 do. Let's unbox this thing. It was really quantum wrong. Oh, look! All my Legos are built. We got Wasp gun, Ant-Man in this weird pod thingy, and quantum juice with a laser on Ghost. Oh, look, she does that great. Okay, let's just get back to the video. Okay, so here we have Ant-Man in his whatever it's called, quantum pod thingy. Ant-Man. I'm scared now, even though I'm bald. Alright, and let's get to the pod thingy. So here's this. The pod. I'm a monster. Look, it's the quantum juice. Alright, this is gray, and you can see the gray. See, look. This is kind of cool because I don't even have to put a sticker on it. Look, it's just gray and silver. Let's do this, and boom. Here's Ghost. Now got a mask on. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop. And you can do this. And we also got Wasp here. So you can take off her mask. Do this. She has a double head. She also has a mad face and a happy face. Wasp. And here is the gun. I just put it in her hands because it looks cool in her hands. Stone holder and invisible piece and a gray ray gun. And here is Wasp. Kind of cool, she gets wings. Ant-Man and the Wasp versus her. A big giant ship that looks like a monster. We'll close the thing up. Whoop, whoop. And put these in the back to make it look like a big ship. Whoop. I'm gonna get out of here. Hey, let me out too. Ah. Bye, gangsters. Oh God.
Thanks for watching.
And I'm also giving a shout out to the Yarn Friends, so make sure you go to his channel and subscribe. Bye, gangsters. Go subscribe to him. Woo! Oh, what the heck? Okay, wait, what the? Cool. All my Legos are built. Ant-Man's in this thing. And Wasp is right here. And I didn't tell you to, I said when I do this.
Okay.
And all the Legos are up here and I said, bye. Bye, gangster.